Dr. Saib, as usual, will start off with a short supplicatory prayer.
Mawlana Shah Karim Husaini Hazir Imam Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil wa ni'mal mawla wa ni'mal nasir Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil wa ni'mal mawla wa ni'mal nasir Hasbunallah ونعم الوكيل ونعم المولى ونعم النصير نصير الحي القيوم نصير الحي القيوم نصير الحي القيوم İlahi çareyi bir çağırgan kun İlahi rahmeti berbandegan kun İlahi rahmetten dayari amas Vazaca tatraki tamamas Gunahdari bir kohi alban Gunah azbandau afas khudawan Khudawanda saadat ya dimakum Zarahmat yak nazar darkari makun ya akramal akramin Ya arhamar rahimin ya Nur Mawlana Shah Karim Husaini
Hazir Imam. Just a little reminder to all our participants, because it is always very important to refresh certain things in our minds. And that is to say that this prayer with which we start is in recognition of the fact that some of us may think, because we live in the Western world where the language of communication is English, and we may think that, oh, Mawla's speeches and Mawla's Farameen are in English. So, of course, we understand them. But I think that so far, all of you will have noticed, and as it has been pointed out in a previous presentation here, that the Insani Kamil, the Imam of the time, has Jawami'ul Kalim, which means that he has comprehensive words, meaning he may say something which may appear to you and me like a simple sentence, but when you start to analyze it, then there's a whole world of a universe of knowledge. And so this is why we always start with a supplicatory prayer, because we do not know if we are really doing justice to the Imam's Mubarak words.